in Ferrari World as
Yes.
Faris did. Is that correct? You're going to tell us all the details after the break?
After the break.
So stay with us. And you too, stay with us. We'll be right back.
Hi everybody, I've been here. Now it's your turn to come. Bye.
We're back to our special show at the launch of Ferrari World in Abu Dhabi. And I'm here with the beautiful Amal Bashusha, who was telling us before the break how much fun she had. I know you had a lot of fun and you went to a lot of attractions. One of them is, what is it called? Speed of Magic
4D.
Was it exciting?
Yes.
Scary?
No, not scary, but excited. It's amazing.
It was amazing. It's one of the best attractions we have here at Ferrari World. So I don't know if you know, but we had a camera filming you. I hope you don't mind. Shall we watch that?
Okay.
All right.
I'm so excited to discover a magic world of Ferrari. And so, let's go. It was amazing, very, very nice, a very good experience.
God, it was virtual, but it felt very real, right? Completely? Yeah. Scary. I was also in a very fast car. Very, very fast. I was very, very scared. Do you believe me?
No.
Not at all, huh?
No.
Well, we can watch it. It's called the Bell'Italia. It's no secret that I love Italy, and I just discovered here in Ferrari World a ride called Bella Italia, beautiful Italy. So here I am, beautiful Italian landscapes, beautiful Italian car, beautiful Italian woman, but she's not Italian, she's Swedish Lebanese. Teresa and Jaime, welcome to the show. How are you?
Thank you so much, I'm doing great.
I think you're a very good driver so far. So what brought you to Ferrari World?
Well, I heard so much amazing things about Ferrari World. I've been on the biggest roller coaster and I'm really impressed.
How would you rate Ferrari World?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Because I also think it has some class and it's for everybody. I've seen couples, I've seen young people and also older people.
So this is totally the kind of place where we can bring the family. You've got, you know, I don't know, Venice in here, the Tower of Pisa on the other side. Even the canal is present.
I went to Las Vegas, of course, but I must say that this feels more modern, more new.
Yeah. Now we're just about to step in a very dark tunnel. Tell me about the new album. It's being released very soon.
The new single, Think About It's You, is of course about someone very special.
All I think about is listening into it.
It's you. Nothing else could be more true. All I think about is you. Boy, always in return. All I think about is you.
It was so cool to be on this ride with you. Well, thank you, Teresa. I wish you the best of luck for the new album. I'm sure it's amazing. I'm going to listen to it just now when we step out of the car.
Thank you so much. Shukran. Thanks for having me. It's an honor.
Thanks for being here.
Thank you.
Very fast, huh?
إيطاليا
إيطاليا
غير شيء
إيطاليا.
أنا بحب إيطاليا لأن أنا إيطالي، جنسيتي الثانية إيطالية.
I know.
وأنت كمان إن شاء الله عرسك حيكون قريب، نفرح فيكي كمان حتتجوز إيطالي.
Woo. Of all the big super celebrities that graced us with their presence tonight at Ferrari World, we have the honor to have Walid Toufi, the eminent singer, with us.
Thank you
Walid,
very much. Thank you.
How are
you?
you?
My pleasure. Fine.
Thanks for coming.
Thank you, Habibi.
Amal is a little bit restless because she has to go, right? She has a
Yeah.
surprise for us.
Why?
Exactly.
Can you tell us?
No, it's a
She's
surprise.
not going to tell us. I think it involves a car, but I'm not sure. Okay, Amal, we'll see you in a minute.
Bye-bye.
Bye,
Ciao,
Amal.
ciao.
Bye.
So you're going to come back with the family?
Yes, of course. Because
Your
I miss
beautiful
it too
wife?
much. Yeah, and Georgina and Walid and Noor.
His wife is a former Miss Universe. That's so exciting. You love cars, don't you? That's why you're here tonight.
Of course, I love. يعني بالذات الفراري بحبها كثير.
You like
I
Ferrari
like too
most.
much, yes.
And the speed?
يعني before maybe, but now
Tell us about your current project. You're working on so many songs, a new video clip. Is it a good time for you?
الحمد لله كثير 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 هالايام هي اغاني مبسوط لانه اخذ كثير سوكسي مع الناس وخاصه مع الشباب الجداد يعني.
Are you ready to see a car
Again?
Racing? Yeah.
Again?
Yeah.
Okay.
I have to go because I have to encourage the candidates.
Okay.
But you can watch it and then we'll see how it goes.
Okay.
It's very exciting. I'm standing here with the general manager of Ferrari World in Abu Dhabi. Klaus, how are you? Klaus
I'm
Freeman,
very good.
ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you.
You must be very thrilled that celebrities are going to race on your racetrack in here.
Absolutely. We're looking forward to the pole position here, and the race is going to kick off in a few minutes.
How important is that day for Ferrari
Oh,
World?
it's fantastic. It's a great day to have the first actual race inside the park. So we have some simulators and some other stuff, but this is the first time where we have celebrities racing in the park, so very exciting.
I'm just going to run over with you all the celebrities that we have today. We've got TV presenter Loujain Amran. We've also got the famous actress Amal Bashusha and a very famous Syrian actor Qusay Khawli.
I'm gonna win, okay?
I heard something also quite thrilling, which is we have an empty go-kart. Would you be interested in filling it?
Oh yeah, never say no to a challenge. So definitely.
Shall we go?
Let's get myself ready.
Yep. You have 2 rounds, the fastest win, and no cheating. Good luck. 3, 2, 1. Woo! Girls rule. يلا أمل. Ça fait accident. Okay. Yes. Now. Woo! طلعت لقيتك خلاص رحت جيت ادخل هذاك الشارع هاك سياره واحده بس
But it's really fun وبتحتاج لياقة.
صح
ممتاز بس برافو عليكم.
انا عندي جايزه I've got the prize عندي جايزه لوجين مبروك حبيبتي اوكي
Thank you.
لوجين
Congratulations, the winner of the first Abu Dhabi race. مبروك لجين. برافو. برافو. Thanks everybody. Very nice.
Okay, it's happening now, so I better run. We only had 1 hour to show you the excitement of Ferrari World, but for more information, visit the website. Good night.